Hello, I'm Mrs Oshodi. Welcome to Osprey House. Come with me and I'll show you around. Okay, so this is our entrance. We have our notice board with all the key information for the day. If you come through here, we'll go to the study. Here is where all our girls study in the evening. So years 7 to 11 tend to study down here. Sixth formers have the option of studying in their rooms. Each student has a computer that they can work from. They can bring their laptops. Through here, we have the DT area. So students can do their painting, their sewing. We also have a reading nook with some updated books for the girls. Okay, we'll go to the common room. Here's our common room. Every evening at 6:30 we meet here to do roll call, check on all the girls, give any notices. We also have shared breakfasts and meals here with the girls. They can relax, watch Netflix. We do some mornings here, Friday 1. After school the girls will come with their friends and they can play on the pool table or some table football. My office and Miss Serena's office are just there if the girls have anything they want to speak to us about. We also have the ozone. So this is the ozone. It's just a quiet space for the girls to have some privacy if they need some downtime. In Osprey House we have 3 kitchens. This is the main kitchen for everyone. So we have a bread maker, lots of ingredients in here. The girls will often be seen baking. We have some recipes that they all like to make. If your daughter was unwell, she would come and spend the night down here or the day, and Miss Serena's apartment is just right opposite, so she can look after you. So we also have the music room. And our Ospreys can often be seen in here playing the piano, practicing violin, sometimes jamming together. We also have a prayer room that the girls can use. So on this floor we have year 7, 8, 9 and 10. We'll go this way to have a look at one of the girls' rooms. Okay, so this is a standard room for year 7 to 10, 4 students in a room. They each have a bed, a wardrobe, a desk, a side table and a lamp. They have more than enough space and they can really make it their own, bring rugs, lots of pictures and just feel really comfortable. Okay, so this is the girls' bathroom. We have 4 rooms would be sharing this bathroom, but we have enough so that each shower only has 2 girls in it and there's enough sinks to leave all their toiletries out. So in here we have the middle years common room, so just the girls on this floor can use this space to relax, call parents, and there's also a kitchen in there if they want to do some cooking. We're also very lucky in Osprey, we have our own gym, so come inside. The girls can often be seen here practicing dances for performances. We've also got some equipment that they can use and they really do make use of it, and it's only the Osprey girls allowed up here to use it. Okay, so on this floor, this is the upper years floor, we have year 11, 12 and 13 and this is their common room. So again, we have Netflix, Apple TV, the girls can relax here. Sometimes in the evening they'll study instead of studying in their rooms in here. And they just have the freedom to kind of use their time as they wish. They also have a kitchen just around here you can have a look at. So again, more fridges, microwaves, toaster, so the girls can do some cooking for themselves. So here is a typical upper years bedroom. There are 2 in a room, but again get a bed, wardrobe, etc. So Osprey House and the boarding community is a really safe space. You can often see security walking around, they're super available and helpful. We also have an automatic door lock system, so it automatically locks at 10 p.m. and opens again in the morning. Also during the day while the girls are at school, the doors will be locked and we have a safety provision there to open it should we need to. There's also CCTV outside of the house so we can see who's coming and going. So the Osprey House staff will look after your daughter between Monday and Friday, and on Friday we hand over to the full boarding team if she was a full boarder. They arrange trips all around Brunei. They do lots of fun activities over the weekends. A typical morning in the Osprey House, the students would be woken up by a member of staff, then they go for breakfast in the boarding canteen. When they return, there'll always be a member of Osprey staff on duty. That would be either myself, the deputy house mistress, Mrs Carson, or Miss Serena, our matron, who's also a qualified nurse. In Osprey House, we have a range of subject teachers. So I'm mathematics, but we have teachers from English, psychology, drama. We also have experts within our sixth form, and we do have a system where all the students know who to go to if they need help in a specific subject. So that's about it from me. Thank you for coming on this tour around Osprey House. I hope to see you soon. Bye.